Hi, good evening, Jerry.
Good evening, Jack.
How are you doing this evening?
I'm fine.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Jerry, where are you?
I'm in the restaurant.
In the restaurant? What are you doing there?
I'm eating some beef.
Did you have any beef yesterday?
Yes.
Do you like eating beef?
Yes.
Okay. Are you there with your parents?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Where's Dan?
He is in the garden.
What's he doing in the garden?
He is running in the garden.
Oh, he's running in the garden. Does he like exercise? Does he like to exercise every day?
Yes.
Is he 18?
Yes.
Does he have a bicycle?
No.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't.
Did he run yesterday?
Yes.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Where's Amy?
She is in the shopping mall.
What's she doing there?
She is shopping.
Is she a shopaholic?
Yes.
Is she a shopaholic? Did she shop last month?
Yes.
Is she a housewife?
Yes.
Does she like cooking?
No.
No, she doesn't.
She doesn't.
Yeah, she doesn't like cooking at all. It's your turn.
Where's you, Jack?
Where are you?
Where are you, Jack?
I'm in the study.
What do you do?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm drawing a dragonfly on the paper. I'm drawing a dragonfly on the paper. One more question. How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 35.
Where's Peter?
Where's Peter? He's in the classroom.
Is he reading?
Is he reading? Okay, is he reading a book? Okay.
Is he reading a book?
No, he isn't. He's teaching the kids English. He's a teacher. Does he like teaching?
Does he like teacher?
Does he like teaching? Does he like teaching?
Does he like teaching?
Yes, he does.
Where is Kitty?
She's in the airport. What's she doing?
What's she doing?
Oh, she's waiting for her parents. She's waiting for her folks.
What color is she t-shirt?
What color is her t-shirt?
What color is her t-shirt?
Her t-shirt is purple. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the TPR section. You can go first. Come on.
Tap your head.
I'm clapping my hands.
Cook the beef.
Cook the beef. Oh, okay. Chop.
Chop the beef.
Chop the beef. Okay, I'm chopping it.
Turn on the
Heater.
heater.
Turn on the heater.